The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 have finally been unveiled at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event in New York. With hands-on coverage from Sammobile, we now have a clear picture of what Samsung is bringing to the table this year. And it's clear these are the most refined foldables yet. Starting with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, this device is being called the most ambitious foldable Samsung has ever made. It's thinner and lighter than before, making it feel much more like a regular slab phone when folded. Samsung has also made it tougher with multiple improvements focused on durability. The Fold 7 has received one of the biggest design refinements in the history of the series. It now features a larger screen on both the inside and outside, and the crease, which has always been a talking point for foldables, is now much less visible thanks to a redesigned hinge. Samsung also added a new ultra-thin glass sheet that's 50% thicker than before, increasing the durability of the foldable display. There's even a titanium backplate supporting the main screen, which should help resist pressure and damage over time. Unfortunately, not all changes are upgrades. The under-display camera has been removed, and even more surprising is the removal of S Pen support. That might disappoint some users, especially those who loved the productivity features of the Fold paired with stylus input. On the software side, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 runs One UI 8 with Android 16, and Samsung has added some clever AI features. One is the Instant Audio Eraser, which can remove background noise from voice recordings. Another is Galaxy AI's side-by-side editing feature for photos, allowing users to edit with more precision. Gemini AI can now be launched in a pop-up window for easier multitasking. Even with the removal of the S Pen and under-display camera, the Fold 7 feels like a complete package. It's clear Samsung has listened to feedback and focused on making the Fold more durable, more portable, and more user-friendly than ever before. Pre-orders are now open globally through Samsung's eShop, with bonuses available for early buyers. Now let's talk about the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Samsung's most popular foldable just got a serious upgrade. The Galaxy Z Flip series has always been about style, compactness, and flagship-level performance in a clamshell form factor. But last year's Flip 6 was more of a minor update, and fans were hoping for a real leap forward with the Flip 7. Samsung seems to have delivered exactly that. The Flip 7 introduces a fresh, new design with a larger 4.1-inch Super AMOLED cover display, the biggest yet on a Flip. It's bright too, with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, and the bezels are the slimmest ever on a Samsung phone. The display wraps around the camera lenses in a unique way, adding to its futuristic look. Samsung also added some animated touches to the UI that match the design, giving the phone even more personality. The inner foldable display has been widened to 6.9 inches, offering a more traditional aspect ratio. It's a better experience for watching videos, browsing, and multitasking. Like the Fold 7, the crease has been reduced, and the new hinge design makes opening and closing smoother than ever. Even though Samsung skipped the Snapdragon chip this time, the performance is still strong. The Flip 7 uses Samsung's own 3nm Exynos 2500 chip paired with 12GB of RAM. Based on our hands-on experience, the phone runs smoothly with no lag or hiccups. Animations are fluid, multitasking is quick, and the device feels like a true flagship. On the software front, it runs One UI 8 with Android 16, just like the Fold. That means it also comes with new Galaxy AI features, making it smarter and more capable. Another upgrade is the battery, now increased to 4300 mAh, which should give users more screen-on time. However, fast charging remains capped at 25 watt, which may feel slow compared to some competitors. As for the camera, Samsung didn't change much. It still uses the same 50-megapixel main and 12-megapixel ultra-wide cameras as the previous model. While the hardware hasn't changed, Samsung did improve the software for better processing and enhancements. We'll have to wait for a full review to see how much of a difference that makes. To sum up, both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 show how far Samsung has come in the foldable space. The Fold 7 feels more like a regular phone while getting tougher and sleeker. The Flip 7 is more stylish, more powerful, and more practical than before, with a design that's sure to turn heads. If you're interested in foldable phones, these two are likely the best options in 2025. Keep an eye out for our full reviews soon, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Samsung's latest foldables.